Hi everyone, this is Shikher, and today's workout is shadow boxing, shadow kickboxing. So we're gonna learn progressive rounds of shadow boxing and figure out from footwork to punches to kicks. And this is for beginners. So we'll cover the basic mistakes, and maybe for advanced session we'll ask Sensei Seth or Sensei Yashpal to do a advanced course for us. And let's go. Right. So this is round one. We're going to do the basic footwork in a circular movement. So what we can do is we can use a chalk to create a circle, use a pipe, use a piece of cloth. So I'm using this piece of cloth, which is basically a hand wrap, just to create a circle. So the basic stance is your knees bent, toes pointing sidewards, and chin down, hands up. So this is your on guard position. Stay on your toes if possible. That's the most relaxed and faster way to do it. And let's go with the basic footwork. So in, out, and keep changing. In, out, keep your hands up, keep changing your foot. Move, 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 move. Imagine your opponent in the center of it. Keep moving, keep moving. Just keep your hands up, keep your hands up. And now since we have finished our first round, the first 1 minute, so it's time for some squats. So again 1 minute, non-stop, we do squats, 1 minute. The first round was anyway a warm-up itself. So this round, we focus on more, a little strengthening. So 1 minute squats. Do as many as you can, go nice and easy, go down, touch your elbows on your knees, up, back straight, look forward. One minute. So here is round two. So round two will focus on throwing some more jabs, defending and throwing a jab. So a few rules. Whenever we try to attack, if we are escaping, we can attack from the place we are. If you are trying to attack someone with the first thing, like we want to throw a jab, you have to move forward, because when we are standing in a comfortable stance, then we are assuming both of us are not in a distance where we can directly hit. So if you're directly hitting, we move a little forward. And then, so I have removed my circle. You may continue to do this round, one more round on the circle, or we may do away with it, but remember to do more circular movements, not just straight and back. Alright, so this is round two. Hands up, protect your chin, this is the weakest part of your body. Chin down, and continue with the same footwork. Now this round we'll throw some jab. Every time you throw a jab, move forward. Keep moving. Imagine your opponent in the center. And so escape. Jab, slip, jab, back. Jab, slip, jab, back. Move, 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 move. Jab, slip, jab, back. Throw more jab, jab, jab. Escape, escape. Back. Jab, jab. You can also do body jab to escape. Body jab. Up. Now we finish with 1 minute of some crunches. So basic crunches. Lie down, knees forward. 1 minute. The key is you have to focus on your abs. So every time you get up, breathe out, and your entire brain and your everything should be focused right here. One minute, non-stop. So here we are in round number 3, and in this round we are of course going to throw a lot of jabs, but we're going to flip both sides and throw a lot of crosses also. So more jabs, a little bit of cross. So that's round number 3 for you. Let's go. Remember again your stance, knees bend, chin down, hands up, and move forward. Keep your hands closed. More jabs. Let's cross. Remember, you can't reach your opponent standing here. So if you are doing your jab here, your next cross should be forward. So we're gonna finish the round 3 with some crunches. This time we'll focus on the lower abs. Let's go. So every time we're gonna raise up. Slightly lift up your hips, not much. Every time breathe out and just focus on your lower things.
Is it slow burn?
This is again 1 minute. This is slow burn, not like the previous crunches. You won't feel immediately, but it's very, very powerful for the lower abs. So here we are in round number 4. This round we'll throw all 4 punches. So basically jab, cross, hook, uppercut, uppercut. So a few basic rules. When we throw a hook, the foot turns, because this foot turns, and along with the foot the hand strikes. So it is not a long shot. Those are very rare. Mostly it's a close range. So with the foot, hook, uppercut, hook. It should be close range. Don't try to hit too far, fancy things. Very, very basic. Close punches, and we'll combine all the punches in this round. So footwork, all the punches, escapes. So you can duck under it, you can block, use both things. Sometimes you'll imagine that you have time, so you duck under. At times you imagine that the opponent is hitting fast, so you just block. So round number 4. Nice and easy, relax. In between you can show some power shots, but throughout remain easy, relax. We'll finish the round 4 with some crunches again. This time we'll do the Russian crunches. So side by side we'll focus on the side, strengthening the sides of our abs. And let's go. So I have the ball with me. You can take a school bag, so maybe a pack of atta, school bag, mix it up with some bottles, add whatever weight you can. But we have to go 1 minute non-stop. So pick it up, legs up in air, touch. Keep breathing.
Feel the stretch.
So 1 minute non-stop and it should burn. here we are in round number 5. We'll also include some low kicks in it. So do a lot of checking of low kicks. We'll hit a lot of low kicks. So let's go for round number 5. On guard, hands up, knees down. Every time you check, try to do a counter. So we'll finish the round number 5 low kicks with some low abs. Simple. Go down, hands behind your tailbone, and sharp and easy. Again 1 minute. Keep breathing. Knees locked. Again 1 minute. Non-stop for a minute. So I am sweating. I'm sure you'll also be. So this is round number 6, and in this round we are also going to include all the high kicks. Hook kick, round kick, more round kicks, straight kicks, front kicks, maigiri. We'll combine everything. So again, relaxed, on guard position, and now we can start with low kicks. Start with jabs. So remember, don't try and start with the high kicks. Always start with low kicks. Start with jabs. That's a good entry point. Let's go. We are going to finish this round, the high kick round, again with some crunches. So simply lie down, legs straight up, and we'll go and touch our toes every time. So this is again 1 minute, non-stop. So now we are in the final stages of our shadow boxing workout. So what I want you to do is do 1.5 minutes of combining everything, and that is the one which you're gonna send it to me for feedback. This is a bonus round. So if you have something like a 1 kg dumbbell, otherwise pick up few bottles or something. So I want to do one round of punching, hands up with this. So with the gravity, the hand goes down, and that's how we build our shoulders strong. And then we also learn You need to always keep it up. So 1 round simple punches. So we're gonna finish this workout. So this is again 1 minute non-stop. We're gonna do the Superman thing. Fist close, look up, hands up. This is 1 minute non-stop. Don't let your hands go down, keep them up. You can keep something under the arms so that you remember you have to keep it up. Keep it long and straight, 1 minute. You got to send it to me for feedback. Let's rock. All the best.